Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to a North Wales side-by-side video. I'm out in the GR Sport and it's such a gorgeous evening up here in North Wales. I just thought I'd come out and have a blast up the country lanes. Well, these lanes are too good not to share. It's just absolutely beautiful this time of year up here. That's the countryside run over. We're back into town now, so back to behaving. Hope you enjoyed that. That's just a lovely, typical country lane that I can just drive anytime I like. They're just so much fun. They really, really suit the GR Yaris. You can really have some fun down the lanes. Hey, please consider clicking like on the video if you've enjoyed the ride, and please subscribe. Costs you nothing to subscribe. Thanks very much.